Bienvenue à 52 Rue du Bac. We are in the 7th arrondissement of Paris in a beautiful 2 pièces apartment. 2 pièces is what the French use to describe an apartment with 2 rooms. So that means this apartment has a bedroom. It's 33 square meters, so it's actually kind of rare for an apartment of this size to have a separate bedroom. 33 square meters is around 300 square feet, so it's not a huge apartment, but it is a perfect pied-à-terre. It has east-west exposure. Another thing that is really, really unusual for any apartment in Paris, but especially an apartment this size, is to have windows on both sides so you're getting light all throughout the day. It was completely redone by an architect just a few years ago, so everything is really well thought out and beautifully appointed. And it has air conditioning, which is also really rare for Paris. Another thing I love about this apartment is the kitchen. You don't always see in small apartments in Paris a dishwasher, which this one has. It also has an oven and a full cooktop, which are things that you don't always see in studio size or small 1-bedroom apartments in Paris. It also has in-unit laundry, which is super convenient. But the best thing about this apartment is the location, right on the Rue du Bac, on the corner of the Boulevard Saint-Germain. The Boulevard Saint-Germain is a beautiful street. It is right in the heart of Paris. This is one of the most desirable locations in the city of Paris. If you've been here, you've probably visited places like Shakespeare and Company, the Musée d'Orsay, the Musée Rodin, les Invalides, all the big monuments, les Tuileries. Tout ça is près d'ici. That means it's really close to here. You have easy access to train lines, the Seine, and everything that you could ever want to have your Parisian life is right outside your door. Another thing that's really great to know about this apartment is that it has new windows, so it's going to be a lot more efficient than some of the older apartments. Even though this is a 17th century building, you can't hear anything from the street. It's very quiet and it's very, very efficient as well. This is listed for 613,000 euro, and the copropriété fee, which are similar to what we have of condo fees, is about 110 euro per month, and the taxes are only a little over 800 euro a year. So there are some big differences between US properties and French properties when it comes to your carrying costs per month. This apartment is sold furnished, so it's going to be really convenient for you to just bring your bags and set up your pied-à-terre. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below.